Now, you represented DaBaby?
DaBaby?
DaBaby.
Yeah. We just got a big win this week. I don't know if you read about it.
Okay, that was a $6 million case from Miami, from the brawl, the 2020 brawl.
Yeah, so we got a defense verdict, and then in a rarity that you never hear of, we filed for Rule 11 sanctions along with the lawyers from Universal for reimbursement of attorney's fees. And that never works, except for DaBaby. The judge ordered Rule 11 sanctions on a very limited issue, and that it was this bizarre conspiracy theory this lawyer had. So we win the civil case, but poor John, he had to pay legal fees for 2 years, depositions flying everywhere. And so on this one issue, the judge made the lawyer, he's given an order for the lawyer to pay back Universal a few $100,000, and he ordered the lawyer to pay John back. The lawyer, not the clients. He specifically put in there, the judge, not your clients, you pay back Jonathan Kirk, who performs as DaBaby, like $630,000 of his legal fees.
Okay, but the lawyer probably can't afford that. So what's going to happen? We'll see.
I mean, frivolous litigation. Buyer beware, man. I say to everybody, DaBaby, Jonathan Kirk, took a tremendous amount of courage to say screw you. He refused to settle the case, and he really just drew the line in the sand and said, I see everybody around. Everybody just writes checks to people. And he's had other civil cases, but he goes, this case is just bullshit. And he was so engaged, the next time you interview him, he was so engaged in the trial process. I mean, I'm talking freaking into it. And so I'm so happy. And look, time for the lawyer to get out his checkbook. Can't bring frivolous lawsuits. And that should be a lesson to all those lawyers out there that try to win the lottery ticket against people that are famous, that are out there busting their butt, that come from nothing to make something just so lawyers can file bullshit cases against them. I think it's a great lesson, and I think a lot of people need to pay attention.